will kill cancer cells. Antioxidants, found in various foods, are molecules that prevent or slow down oxidative damage in our bodies. Oxidative damage occurs when unstable molecules called free radicals damage our cells, DNA, and other important structures. This damage can lead to mutations in our genes and contribute to the development of cancer. For instance, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can donate an electron to stabilize free radicals, preventing them from causing harm. Similarly, vitamin A and beta-carotene have antioxidant properties, shielding our cells from oxidative stress. Polyphenols found in foods like green tea, berries, and dark chocolate also have potent antioxidant effects. Moreover, antioxidants can help regulate processes in our cells that control growth, division, and death. They can influence signaling pathways that inhibit the uncontrolled growth of cancer cells and promote programmed cell death, preventing the formation, progression of tumors. Incorporating foods rich in antioxidants into our diet can provide our bodies with the tools they need to fend off these harmful effects. Today we will talk about the 7 superfoods that will aim to fight cancer cells. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and not as a mode to replace your doctors and dietitians. 1. Apples. You know that saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, there might be some truth to it. Apples contain something called polyphenols, which are like natural plant superpowers. These polyphenols can do some cool things, like helping your body fight inflammation, which is when your body gets all swollen and sore, protecting your heart from diseases, and even stopping infections. But here's the really interesting part. Scientists think that polyphenols might also be like superheroes against cancer. They can do things that stop cancer from forming in your body. For example, there was a study in 2018 that found a special polyphenol in apples called floretin. It was like a superhero cape for fighting breast cancer cells, but it didn't harm the good cells. This floretin stuff works by stopping a protein called GLUT2, which is like a helper for cancer cells to grow. So, it's like apples have a secret weapon against cancer. Now, you might be wondering, how many apples should I eat to be a superhero against cancer? Well, it's a bit tricky because the studies didn't say exactly how many apples you need. But here's the thing. It's not just about eating a ton of apples. You should aim to have some apples regularly as part of your healthy diet. Think of it like a little bit of apple power in your meals now and then. It's not just about the quantity. It's about making apples a tasty and healthy addition to what you eat. 2. Berries. Berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries, are like little health powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are all really good for your body. But what makes them extra special are these things called antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as your body's defenders against troublemakers that can harm your health. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Scientists have found that a compound called anthocyanin in blackberries can do something amazing. It can lower signs in your body that are connected to colon cancer. It's like a superhero for your colon. And there's more. Another study found that blueberries, with their anti-inflammatory superpowers, can actually stop the growth of breast cancer tumors in mice. These little berries are like tiny cancer-fighting warriors. In 2016, some really smart researchers suggested that berries are like secret agents against cancer. They mentioned anthocyanins. Those are the colorful pigments in berries, flavonoids A, more superheroes in berries, and other antioxidants that work together in berries. These compounds might not just prevent cancer, but might also turn back time on early cell changes that can lead to cancer. It's like a reverse gear for cancer development. There's evidence that berries might help slow down or even stop the growth of different types of cancer, like breast cancer and cancers in your stomach and intestines. 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Think of broccoli, cauliflower, and kale as your superhero vegetables. They're filled with good stuff like vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, which your body loves. But the coolest thing about them is a special ingredient called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is like the secret weapon in these veggies against cancer. It's a plant compound that can do some pretty awesome things. For example, one study found that sulforaphane is like a superhero against colon cancer cells. It stops them from growing and even makes them go away. Now, you might be wondering how many of these super veggies you should have. Well, experts suggest having 3 to 5 servings of cruciferous vegetables every week. Think of it as a tasty way to help prevent cancer and boost your health. But that's not all. When sulforaphane teams up with genistein, a compound found in soybeans, they become a powerful duo. They can put the brakes on cancer and make tumors shrink. Plus, sulforaphane is a pro at stopping an enzyme called histone deacetylase, which is linked to cancer growth. 4. Carrots. Carrots contain a powerful antioxidant called beta-carotene, which has garnered attention for its potential role in fighting cancer cells. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of various bodily tissues, including those in the respiratory and gastrointestinal tracts. Scientifically, beta-carotene acts as an antioxidant, which means it helps neutralize harmful molecules known as free radicals. These free radicals can damage DNA and other cellular components, potentially leading to cancer. Beta-carotene's antioxidant properties counteract this damage, reducing the risk of cancer development. Additionally, beta-carotene has been linked to regulating cell growth and differentiation. It may help prevent uncontrolled cell division, which is a hallmark of cancer. While beta-carotene in carrots alone cannot guarantee immunity from cancer, regularly incorporating carrots into your diet can contribute to a healthier lifestyle and may help reduce the risk of cancer by providing valuable antioxidant support and promoting healthy cell behavior. So make sure you include carrots in your daily meals. 5. Fatty fish. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and anchovies, are rich in a type of polyunsaturated fat called omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3 fatty acids have been extensively studied for their potential anti-cancer properties. One way they help fight cancer cells is by reducing chronic inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to the development and progression of cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids can inhibit pro-inflammatory molecules, potentially slowing down the processes that lead to cancer cell growth. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids may interfere with the signaling pathways that promote cancer cell survival and proliferation. They can influence gene expression related to cell cycle regulation, apoptosis, cell death, and angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels to feed tumors. By modulating these critical pathways, omega-3 fatty acids may contribute to slowing down or even preventing the growth and spread of cancer cells. While fish consumption alone cannot guarantee protection against cancer, it can be a valuable dietary component to support overall health and potentially reduce the risk of cancer by addressing some of the underlying factors that promote cancer cell development and growth. 6. Walnuts. Walnuts are like little superheroes when it comes to preventing cancer. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, among all the nuts, scientists have studied walnuts the most. They contain something called pedunculagin, which turns into a superhero compound called urolithins in our bodies. Urolithins are like cancer-fighting warriors because they attach to estrogen receptors, possibly helping to prevent breast cancer. In one study with mice, those that ate whole walnuts and walnut oil had higher levels of genes that suppressed tumors compared to those given vegetable oil. It's like walnuts turned on the body's natural defense system against cancer. And here's something fascinating. In 2019, women with breast cancer ate walnuts for 2 weeks before their surgery. Scientists examined their tumor tissue and found signs of genetic changes that could mean they were slowing down cancer cell growth. But walnuts aren't just cancer fighters. They offer other health perks too. They're packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients can help lower bad cholesterol, improve brain function, and even reduce inflammation in the body. 7. Grapes, particularly their skins and seeds, contain a group of natural compounds called polyphenols, with one well-studied member known as resveratrol. Scientifically, resveratrol has been shown to have potential anti-cancer properties. It can interfere with the processes that promote cancer cell growth and survival. Resveratrol can inhibit the abnormal division of cancer cells, slow down their ability to form new blood vessels and angiogenesis, and even induce programmed cell death apoptosis in cancer cells. Moreover, resveratrol exhibits antioxidant activity, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage DNA and initiate cancer development. While grapes alone cannot guarantee cancer prevention, their consumption can be a valuable part of a diet that provides these beneficial polyphenols, potentially contributing to the inhibition of cancer cell proliferation and reducing the risk of cancer. Additionally, grapes also contain other compounds such as quercetin and catechins, which have demonstrated anti-cancer properties in scientific studies. These compounds can help regulate various signaling pathways involved in cancer progression, including inflammation and oxidative stress. Moreover, grapes are a source of vitamins and minerals that support overall health and may indirectly contribute to cancer prevention by promoting a well-functioning immune system and reducing chronic inflammation, a known driver of cancer development. That was all from Health Beam. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more healthy insights.